Hi guys, today we're going to be making cough syrup out of 3 ingredients, and let's get started. First you'll need ginger. I actually already have some cut up, a lemon, some honey. I purchased this honey from Whole Foods for about 10 bucks. And I'm going to let my ginger and my honey and lemon sit overnight so that the flavor can be extra good. So I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of this sweet raw honey. And you can use more tablespoons. It's your choice what you want to do, whatever flavor you like. Some people like to add water mixed with the ginger and the honey, but I don't think I'm going to add water. And this is going to be my 3rd spoon. Okay. See that right there? And I'm going to take my lemon and actually probably just use a piece to squeeze the lemon juice inside there. Okay. Okay. Stir that up. Mix. And it's getting thick. It'll get thick. It smells so good. Some people use a strainer with their to cut their ginger and use it to make ginger juice. So I'm not using a strainer, so I'm gonna let mine sit in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. And I'm gonna just use one more. I'm gonna use a half a spoon. Okay, of this syrup. I think this is, and all you need is about a teaspoon in the morning and at night. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.